Hello everyone, today I'm talking a new feature in Go-HighLevel, that is how to use the email builder integration in reputation management. The main advantage of using this feature is like we can use the seamless integration access for email builder directly from reputation settings, and we can customize our emails by using email builder, and we can enhance the user experience by saying by building craft engaging and compelling messages and many more. Okay, for accessing this feature, first you need to get into sub-user level account of Go-HighLevel and get into reputation. You can click on settings. There will be a settings option. After that, you can click on reputation management. After getting into reputation management, that this pop-up screen will be appearing, and you can send review request by clicking on this, and you can select the name, person, input contact name, and you can send the request on send review request. And another one feature, like you can click on your email review request, and you can select immediately whether I need to send any check-ins or any within 7 days or within a week I need to check, and how many maximum retries I need to do, whether I need to do 2 or 3. Here I have selected as a 2 as an example. After that, I can click on open email builder. Okay, here the email builder pop-up will be opening. After that, you can enhance the email builder template here. See, by here I can click on any image, I can drag the image and I can drop it the image, and I can enhance the link, AI text, link option, etc. Anything I can enhance it. And I can also give the logo. I can use any of these features and I can publish and I can save it. After that, I can click on save. The save will be done. In that case, this preview feature will be done. After that, I can click on that and I can share the information. Okay, this is the one advantage of using this feature. Thank you.